Some scenarios for using ROI4Presenter. To increase conversion to demo calls. CTA book a demo or request a demo and similar works poorly. It's another thing when a potential customer is already hooked on interesting content, and can instantly call to talk or set up a meeting without leaving their view. To do this, there are Call Presenter and Schedule Meeting buttons in the presentation player, as well as an option to call the presenter by voice. You can enable this option when editing the presentation and when creating a link. You can also use the avatar or the slides themselves to remind the audience of this option during the presentation. For example, like this slides. To increase conversions to sales. Delegate the tasks of delivering presentations and interacting with potential clients to a virtual assistant. Enrich your sales pitch with voiceover and avatar presenter that generate built-in AI. A virtual seller can work 24/7 and never get tired of answering the same questions. Sell globally with local virtual sales representatives and content. Once you've created a presentation, you can share it via link or set it up on your website and catch clients who watches. Communicate with your clients in real time when they are viewing a presentation, or wait for them to call you or make an appointment. Add a lead form on any slide and get the data directly into your CRM. Get detailed analytics for every session. The product provides detailed information on how your listeners interact with your presentation, which slides are most engaging, and helps you make your presentations more effective. You can quickly create personalized messages for your contacts in your mail or LinkedIn with Chrome extension. For marketers' lead generation. Use ROI4Presenter for boost the effectiveness of your content and increase lead generation. It is also an effective way to communicate with potential and existing customers, and promptly respond to their questions and requests 24/7. Generate a script, voiceover, and avatar presenter that generate built-in AI for your presentation. Our product allows you to generate content in different languages so you can reach your audience anywhere in the world. Set up a lead form to collect contact data that can be automatically integrated into your CRM, and a report with information about user activity following the presentation. Give your listeners the possibility to call you or make an appointment. You can communicate with your audience in real time via video chat or schedule meetings for more in-depth discussion. Generate links in the web app, mobile app, or directly from your email or LinkedIn. Once you've created a presentation, you can share it via link or set it up on your website and catch leads 24/7. Avatar presenter can speak the presentation and answer questions for you. You'll get a notification that someone has connected to your presentation and you can join. Or wait for the listener to call the presenter via button when specific triggers are fired, or by voice command. Get detailed analytics report on each session to improve your presentations. For HR, to reduce the time spent on recruitment. Use ROI4Presenter to save time on your recruitment process. It's your tool to seamlessly communicate with potential employees, conduct interviews around the clock without your personal presence. Upload company slides to allow potential candidates to get a better understanding of your organization and its culture. Create a video message for candidates. Use AI features to generate text scripts, voiceovers, or a video avatar that will communicate with your contacts instead of you. ROI4Presenter can also translate content into any language. Add video files, questions, or test tasks to your presentation. Tasks to test the applicant's skills can be placed on the slides themselves or assigned to your avatar and collected in a chat. As soon as someone starts watching the presentation, you'll get a message about it and can connect. You can talk in video or audio mode, as well as text chat. In the settings, you can enable the Call Presenter button. That way, job seekers can inform you of their intent to communicate, ask questions, etc. You can also take advantage of personalization features when creating the link. And with the Chrome extension, you can create personalized links directly from your email or LinkedIn. The applicants can open the link and take the presentation questionnaire at their convenience. De facto, his answers turn the presentation survey into an actual resume with data of interest to the recruiter. You receive ready-made reports for each participant in the mail, on the basis of which you can make a decision about personal communication. In addition, R4P can be used to create training materials for new employees, which optimizes the onboarding process. For trainers, to improve the quality of training. Trainers looking to enhance training quality can leverage ROI4Presenter for tailored, engaging training across employees, partners, and customers. Unite various content formats, e-slides, PDFs, videos, into streamlined presentations. Translate courses into any language with 2 clicks. Address a significant LMS drawback by enabling direct interaction between presenters and listeners. Listeners can pose questions, schedule meetings, or call presenter to video chat via buttons or via voice commands. Elevate courses with AI features, generate scripts, voiceovers, or speaking video avatars. Obtain in-depth session reports detailing time spent, interactions, and more. Easily share learning content via links or website embedding. Empower employees, partners, and clients through a unified platform. Streamline education efforts and ensure consistent learning experiences. For startups to make all pitches happen. Language barriers, time zones, and problems with scheduling appointments are no more a problem with ROI4Presenter. You can play schedule ping pong for weeks and then, the key person doesn't show up. ROI4Presenter solves these problems and increases the effectiveness of your deck. Upload your presentation. You can mix different content formats. For example, presentation slides and videos. AI will help to generate voiceover and script text in a needed language to the slides or create an avatar presenter. You can add your contact details and/or add a video message to make your presentation more personalized. Get a link to the presentation, which you can embed to the web page as a media player or send directly to contact. You can do it directly from your mail or LinkedIn with Chrome extension. Receive a notification when someone enters. Your avatar will pitch and answer questions instead of you. Communicate via chat, microphone, and camera, take control over the presentation and manage slides. Alternatively, the listener may click on Call Presenter, and you can join the session on demand. Listener also can schedule a meeting with you. Get a detailed report on each session. You will get a report of who saw your presentation, how much time did the visitors spend on each page, and what slide seemed most eye-catching for them, so you'll be perfectly prepared for the next meeting.